Coming down these stairs, again, I want you to look at the woodwork. And this feels like yacht stuff here. The staircase is flowing and comfortable and a railing and safe. We come here, we've got a 3-cabin, 2-bath design. Here on my starboard side here, I have the combination VIP and day head. It's got a full shower, glass enclosed, vacuum pump, vacuum flush toilet, and just, you know, beautifully set up, nice tile floor. The VIP, beautiful berth here. Again, you've got the porthole windows on both sides, hatch, escape hatch, and sun come through there. Beautiful bed, storage, woodwork, TV, all the bells and whistles. You've got access to the head from here and beautiful cabinets, etc. Over here, we have the grandkids or the younger kids, so a bunk beds, really nicely set up, super comfortable, just making great use of the space. Solid wood doors, you know, there is nothing here that is a laminate. You can feel them when they shut, you can hear them when you knock on them. This is the real deal.